So how much money have I earned so far with Nexus Snap? All right, welcome to the channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I still get questions about Nexus Snap. Nexus Snap been around like a little over a year now, I think, right? And to me, seemed like a lot of people was hype on it like a few months ago. Like, oh my God, Nexus Snap, they're like the new Live Good, blah, 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 right? But as of late, I don't see as much content. I don't know why. Maybe because, I don't know, maybe I ain't been watching Nexus Snap videos, so it's not popping up on my YouTube feed. I don't know. But I do know Nexus Snap is still around and they're still going strong. How do I know? Because I'm still making money with Nexus Snap. Now, did it get me rich yet? No. But has it made me legit money like I can spend? Yes. So I'm gonna jump straight into it, let you know how much I made so far with Nexus Snap and how much I have in my account right now. All right, so I'll put it up here. Total earnings so far $820, and you see I have that I can withdraw $503. Now, depending on, you know what I'm saying, what your goals are or whatever, not too bad. You know what I'm saying? Like, obviously I want to make more with Nexus Snap because the shit is one of them easy ass programs. It's just something that, you know, it costs $50 to get started, $10 a month, right? You can actually make money just by using the apps. You can save money just by using the apps, and you know, you can promote the program and earn a residual income. So to me, it's a win-win-win situation for those who just decide to join and decide to actually take action. You know what I'm saying? I'm tired of saying that shit. I say it like in every video. You gotta take action. You gotta take action. But I ain't lying. You really do gotta take action if you want to make any sort of money online, right? So honestly, I have no real plans of touching this money in this account right now. I'm just gonna try to let it build up. But I will say, I do need a new laptop because your boy going to Arizona in a couple months. So I'm like, maybe I'll just take that $500 and get a laptop. You know what I'm saying? I don't need nothing too fancy, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, so if you are wondering like, yo, is Nexus Snap worth it? Is it legit? Do they really pay? Yes. As I'm making this video, you still can join Nexus Snap. You still can use the apps. You still can promote the program, get commissions. You still can build a team and earn residual income. But like I always say, if you decide to join this program and you're trying to make money with it, really promote it. And I know because it's so inexpensive and it's only $10 a month and the apps and all that, you still got to promote it. You know what I mean? And if you do, you will earn some money. And keep in mind, I made this extra money and I got multiple things that I'm involved with. So this is kind of like just like almost on autopilot, so to speak. You know what I mean? I drop videos just like this one because it's easy to do. And like I said, the money is there. So if you want to check out Nexus Snap for yourself and jump on your boy's team, you can click that link in the description and I will reach out to you and help you out any way that I can. So I guess I will see you on the team.